Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.
Release date. SIM support. Phone dimensions. Phone weight. Operating system. Screen size. Screen resolution. Screen type. Screen protection. Internal memory. Card slot. Processor. GPU. Battery. Front camera. Front video recording. Back camera. Back video recording. Bluetooth. Internet. Hands-free jack. Charging. Sensor. Water resistance. Color. Price. Price difference.
Due to price difference, 2 points added. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is winner.
Please subscribe for new mobile phone comparison and like, share and comments. Click to watch more videos on channel. Thank you.
Light is right, we're here to guide every step and every side. Lost in seas of tech so wide, we'll help you steer with pride. Light is right, we're here to guide.